very first time I was here was just for a workshop. It was about chemical compound space, and it started me really actively thinking about coming back. There are so many people coming from different communities here, right? We've got some mathematicians, the chemists, the material scientists, the physicists, and then really what makes me come back is the discussions we have just outside of the conference room, in the time in between. So we just had a lunch discussion here right now, for example, about fluctuations in electrochemical systems. What are examples where it matters? How is it affecting the math? What drives people from different communities to actually approach these questions? And then figure out how do we actually solve these problems, which take more than a 15-minute discussion, which really take sometimes years to kind of sort of work through. You still feel like a kid in a candy shop when it comes to this kind of science. You really feel just still the same, excited about doing things you really like. You can listen to these other communities and really come up with these ideas, what problems to solve, right? So it's much more organic than it is often when you do it in the classroom or in the research lab.
Moving everyone up by one.
That will be fine. Our jobs are cool as scientists. We're really working on our hobby all the time, right?